Okay, I would like to thank everybody for coming. It's been great being here. I'm getting to know everybody as I go, and the more I get to know you, the great people you all are, because you're all so friendly and all so happy, and I love being here, and I love her.
Thank you so much everyone, to my family and friends na you spend time to come here. So thank you everyone. Later na ako sa tanan.
Okay. So before I declare you husband and wife, shall we all hear from both of you words of commitment and promise to each other? Because that's primarily the reason why you have witnesses with you today, so that we can actually witness the love that you share without anyone telling you what to say. What's in your heart, you say it to Jack, Regine, and Jack. Your promise, your commitment to Regine, we would witness what you will tell her. Harong daghan tang manigil.
Yeah.
Sige, so. You hold each, ako you will hold the microphone. You hold each other's hands, look each other in the eye as you speak to your partner.
My dearest husband, I will love you forever. I will be faithful to you, and God is our center of our relationship, and I will love you for the rest of my life.
I would like to thank God for bringing us together. I'm so happy that you're part of my life, and I will take care of you as best I can until death do us part, because I love you so much.
And so, by the power vested on me as local chief executive of the municipality of Pamplona, and after hearing the vows being exchanged by Jack and Regine, I now pronounce you husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Jack and Regine Eldridge. And we would like to witness the first legal kiss. Please go ahead.
Pagbilin pa ron niya.
Signing of the certificate of birth.
Sana.
Ikaw na po sunod. Sunod nita. Kasi kinumilog niya. Kinumilog niya. Tawag na Regine, o. Diba? Okay na. Ikaw na po sunod. Auto. Dami ko na, nag-check ka na.